Hey, what's up guys, how you guys doing? So today I'm just gonna do a little video about a new lens I just got. I got myself a 35mm lens. It's a Yongnuo lens, a very cool lens that you guys, okay, probably gonna show you guys now. So I got this lens. This is my 35mm lens. It's a new lens I just got, and I'd like you guys to see what it can do. So I have the 50mm of this, and so look at this, is a Yongnuo 35. So I have the 50mm of this, and I want to show you guys what it can do. And the reason I got a 35mm when I also have a 50mm, like I told you guys, from a prime guy, and I like shooting prime. I don't like shooting zoom. Zoom is cool. It's cool if you like it and if it does what you want it to do. But for me, now, I'm a prime guy. I like the lights it gives. I like the depth of field. I like so many things about prime. So I got myself in another prime. So this video is just about what the prime can do, what it's done, and how you enjoy it. So catch you guys. B-roll. We're out here today shooting about my new lens and cars. I like cars, I like driving. I'm a very good guy, like I'm a very good driver. Like I should be driving Formula 1. So basically, we're out here shooting. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to hit the like button, don't forget to hit the bell button, so that when this upload post, you're gonna see it, you're gonna like it. And every week here we're putting up new videos, so check out us next week, next time on this same channel. Till we meet again, stay well, stay blessed, and stay stylish. Love you and bless you. Boom.